Virginia here with Jenny Lee Gems. I'm getting ready to head out for Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas, by the way. And I just want to show you a little something that I'm having some issues with. I'm trying to fix a basket that I made several years ago, and I'm cleaning it up. I'm going to put another row on to solidify the handle because it's real floppy. It's been sitting out at a beach restaurant, beach bar, and I'm having issues finding the right color, and I'll show you why. Hi, so I did do a previous video on how to clean these baskets. The wax has all melted off. It's been sitting in a beach bar now for, I don't know, 2-3 years, La Calaca in San Carlos. So I've cleaned it up. I'm going to re-wax it, but then I thought, the handles are just a little flimsy, and I've done this before where I've just added a second row after the fact to solidify it up and strengthen it. So I know this is raspberry sherbet. It's one of my favorite colors, and I've purchased so many. But the problem I've run into, these are all raspberry sherbet, and they all have the same number on them, which is 773, I think. I thought it was 775, but it's 773. So look at this beautiful pink color. It's similar to the handle, and the handle could have faded, but this is a nice, that looks like a raspberry sherbet. This is a pink. Here's another 773. Now, I started buying this up because I couldn't find it anywhere. So when I did find it, I would buy it up. So I have 7 rolls here, and some of them are similar colors, but they're all just a little off. I mean, this one is really, really light pink. So 7 of the raspberry sherbets, and they're all varying colors. So what I recommend is if you have a favorite color, buy a couple in the same dye lot or from the same person, because chances are they're in the same dye lot. Now, some of these I bought from a company that was going out of business, and I just bought them all up. They had 2 or 3 left, but some I bought elsewhere. But you can see the varying colors of raspberry just in this little bowl. And out of these 7 rolls, I think I'm going to be able to find one that's close enough, but it's not going to be exact because probably this raspberry sherbet has faded a little bit over time, even though it was waxed. So I am going to put a second row. I'll just go ahead and add that and then re-wax it because it's all cleaned up. But you could see on the rims here, there's some blackening, and I think it's just from the grease, and there's not much I can do about it other than take it apart and redo it. But I think if I just put a fresh row, solidify it up, it'll look a lot better and last them several more years. Thanks for watching.